What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. Got the Air Jordan 1 Bred toes on deck. We're about to get in a detailed review, and I'll give you guys a little quick on feet. These released today. Let's get straight into it. Let's start off with the box. You already know, typical Jordan 1 box, nothing special. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is Gym Red, Black Summit White. Retails $160. Inside the box, my receipt right there. Inside the box comes your regular white paper. The Air Jordan 1 Bred toes. I wish I would have brought the Breds out for you guys to give you a little comparison. And the black toes, they're basically the black toes but with a red toe box, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, start off with the front of the toe, man. Look, when I push down, the quality is really, really nice. I'm not going to say it's shattered backboard quality, but it does have some nice quality. So you got the red toe in the front. You got your black all around it. Does come with some extra set of laces. Got the black laces right here. Going up on the tongue. You got your Nike Air branding, nylon on the tongue. Take a look. You got your white on the midsole. That goes around the whole shoe. Black Nike swoosh. And over here, the leather is pretty nice also. You know, it's all right, you know. The leather's really nice. Let's take a look at the medial side of the shoe. Same as the lateral. You got your white over here, your red in the back. White on the midsole, white over here by the black Nike swoosh. Take a look inside the shoe. Inside the shoe is all black. Black inner sole with the red Nike Air branding. Sock line, of course, in black. Let's take a look at the back. Back of the shoe, as you guys can see, just typical black and red and white. You know what I'm saying, in the back. And look, when I push in, man, the quality is really nice. Take a look at the bottom. Bottom. All red bottom with your Nike branding right there. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these. Was this a cop? Was it a pass? Hit that thumbs up for your boy, man. We're about to get into this quick on feet. Hope you guys enjoy the review. Figure I'd give you guys something different today because it's really, really nice out. It's beautiful, bright, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can get a real good look at the shoe. But yeah, man, enough talking. Let's get straight to the quick on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone. Audio Jungle.